We've joined the Tampa Bay Builders Association. Rob Wilson with SouthTampaTeardowns.com, just trying to stay absolutely on the cutting edge of what's going on in the building industry in South Tampa and really across Tampa Bay. We've joined the Builders Association to improve our relationships with our builder partners, make sure that we have the best partnerships to make sure that you get fair deals from builders that are going to come through and close when they say they're going to close, and then also make sure that the construction market is healthy in our infill markets. Right now there's some stuff going on with the Realtor Association that could make it harder potentially for custom builders to market new homes, and that could trickle down into hurting property owners that are looking to sell to a builder. So we're going to be really active with the Builders Association, working to improve our relationships and also keep the market healthy for folks that are looking to sell land to builders in South Tampa. Rob Wilson with Exit Bayshore Realty. I'm the director of DIRT, and if I can help you sell a lot to a builder, give me a call, 813-784-4199. Thanks.